In this video, I want to show you the current status before I push to GitHub. I don't have time to record every small step, and if you want to build something like this, you can probably design as you wish. I will record and explain when we move to the important parts of the project. By the way, for the GUI part, I use Livewire Flux Pro, but you can uninstall Flux Pro and use the free version, or you can build directly with the components as you wish. I like Livewire Flux because I can quickly build what I need in the GUI, but you can use anything you want. If you are only interested in the API, maybe you don't necessarily have to build anything in the front end. Okay, I build the node view and I build search function with highlight. For example, when I search, when I write only letters, I see the highlights on the letters, second letters, and so on. And it's live in the browser. We have pagination, and we can get the nodes via API too. I built a formula for the create node, and we have here a validation only for the name. The type and firmware version is nullable. I build a node. The UID is automatic generate. In the node controller, I have the create view, and here use a Livewire component, and here is the Livewire component. That is pretty simple. We have a validation. Here are the rules, and that's all. We have the nodes index table. It's simple too. For the highlight search, I build a trait highlight search, because I will use the same search function maybe in other components too. And what do you have new? I build the API endpoint, the routes, okay, and I build the route for the create node too. That means we can make the node via API too, and we need for this only this public function store. Validation, node create, and here you can see we generate the UID automatic. Okay, I can show you the via Insomnia. For the create node, you must send a post request to the API/create node. You insert this body, and that's all. If we have some validation problems, you get the message for the validation as JSON too. For this endpoint, I defined only the token create ability can make a token. That means you must set in the API a create permission to, or read or update or delete and so on, but later. Like I said, the UID is automatic generate in Livewire 2. That means uh, each time you create a new node, we get a new UID. Okay, now I will generate the documentation for the API. And now when you go to the API documentation, you will see here the documentation for the post request too, for the create node. And you see string name is string must not be greater. The validation are here too. I will push to the Git. I generate a commit and we will see in the next video.